Today we are introducing Yokogawa temperature transmitter loop testing procedure. Temperature transmitter model YTA610. We are already connected, multimeter already connected, multifunction calibrator already connected, one communicator also connected. Loop testing first procedure. First select the device setup, enter it. Okay, next process variable, diagnosis service, basic setup, detailed setup and review. Next we are selecting for device and services. Number 2, enter. Okay, device status, diagnosis service and sensor maximum and minimum logo, status logo and test device and calibration. We are selecting for test device. Number 5. Okay, number 5, test device, loop test also there, self test also there, device reset is there, device variable test is there, device status test is there, auto recycle time. We are selecting the first menu. Okay, select the first menu. Loop should be removed from the automatic control. Okay, then okay. Choose the analog output level, 4 milliamps, 12 milliamps, others and end. First we are selecting the others. Number 3 option. We are applying the 8 milliamps. Okay, select enter. Now multimeter is showing 7.995 milliamps. Output fixed current is 8 milliamps. Then OK. Next select 3 and enter the 12 milliamps. Enter OK. Okay. Now output value is showing 11.995 milliamps. Fixed current is 12 milliamps. Then OK. Okay, select third. Next we are applying for 60 milliamps. That is 75%. Enter. Output milliamps showing 15.996 milliamps. Fixed current is 16 milliamps. Then OK. Next we are applying for 100%. Next we are selecting number 2, 100%, 20 milliamps. Select. Now output showing 19.996 milliamps. Fixed current is 20 milliamps. Then OK. Now we are completed the loop test. After enter, return it to the original output. Now his original output is showing 3.998 milliamps. Okay, then OK. Back. Now loop test is completed.